Hello to all my beautiful people out there. Today I was going to just talk a little bit about inner beauty and self-worth. So many of us really do not like who we are on the outside. And every day we get up and we look in the mirror and we hate something that we see. You know, we hate our thighs, we hate our butt, we don't like our face, you know, we don't like our eyes, we hate our hair color, think our teeth should be straighter, we don't like our whole body for that matter. And every day that we do that, we look in the mirror and we don't see anything good, so it's very negative. And over time, as we do that, it kind of tears you down and it makes you feel kind of worthless. Like, I'm not good enough, I'm not pretty enough. And the image that is portrayed by the media and Hollywood and all of that is complete perfection. It's like, you have to look this way and you have to be this way. And kids deal with it when they go to school, you know, they're not in the stylish group, or they're not in the, you know, cool kids group because they're not cool enough, because they don't wear the right kind of clothes, or they don't have the look that they should have, or they don't. And it's like we're surrounded with all of this negative stuff about, well, you've got to be this and you've got to be that. But the problem is, we should never let all those people define us, because only you should define who you are. So many of us try to pick out, we have role models or somebody that we follow. A lot of people that are idolized, whether it be a movie star or, you know, somebody that's, you know, a musician or whatever. We try to be like them and we want to look like them, and we think if we could just achieve that. But the sad thing is that there's only one you. And if you waste all your time trying to chase after that and be that person, you're never who you truly are, and you're never who you were meant to be. And there's nothing wrong with you being who you are. And in fact, when you look in the mirror, you should see, instead of all of these negative things, the beautiful things. So every day this week, when you look in the mirror, one time that day, find something that you actually like about yourself. And you have to pick out a different thing each day. But at the end of the week, you'll find that there has been 7 things that you found that you like about yourself. And it doesn't just have to be looks. It can be if you're musically inclined, it could be a gift that you have for, you know, working with people. It could be, you know, about being book smart. It could be, you know, that you're maybe you're talented in ways that somebody else is not. Maybe you're good with your hands. Maybe you're good at woodwork or, you know, creative stuff. Anything. Just find something that you like about yourself. And you say, well, I don't like anything about myself. Well, why not? Aren't you great like you are? If you look at your heart, even if you find something like, I helped somebody the other day, or I'm an honest person, or, you know, I'm willing to give whatever I have to help somebody if they need it, or anything like that, that's also something that's beautiful about you. The problem is, we think that all the beauty that we should have is here. But I believe that instead of trying to focus on this and change all this, that we should focus on what's here. Because what's here will reflect in what's here. So I wish people could look in the mirror and go, you know what? It's okay to have scars. It's okay to have acne. It's okay to not be this perfect person. It's okay if I'm having a bad hair day. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. And you'll find that people actually really have a lot of respect for someone who's real and who aren't afraid, someone who is not afraid to be who they are. And they'll look at that person and they'll go, you know what? They're the real deal. Yeah, you know, maybe they aren't perfect all the time, but they're real. And, you know, people talk about beauty being skin deep. And outer beauty is only skin deep. But there's a kind of beauty that goes through and through. And that's the beauty that comes from here. The inner beauty. The character. The person that you are inside. And what you have inside will reflect this. You know, so many kids are surrounded by so much pressure to be this certain person or to look a certain way, and not just kids, adults as well. And it's sad because people strive for that, and then they end up having problems like eating disorders and emotional difficulty and problems believing in themselves and, being successful in their everyday life because they have no self-confidence. I struggled with eating myself. It was like you look in the mirror and you just want to be better all the time and you want to be perfect. And every day that you look in the mirror and you wish for something, no matter how hard you try, it's never good enough. And that's sad because without even trying, you're good enough. You are beautiful just the way you are. And you were designed to be you. There's only one you out there. Nobody else can be like you. They will try. People may try. But nobody else is you. You are the only you there is in the world. So if you could just look at that in perspective and see how amazing that is, then you should just let that shine. Just be yourself and let the world see it because it's beautiful. And you are beautiful the way you are. So that's all for today. Hopefully you'll take me up on my challenge and you will do the mirror thing and just try to come up with something good about yourself. Switch all the negativity around and start finding positive things about yourself. And with time, hopefully you'll kind of reverse some of that bad self-image you've given because of the negativity. So I love all you guys out there. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.